Welcome to our channel, friends. Now we are delving into the comprehensive guide on mastering Google digital marketing. In this digital age, understanding and leveraging the tools provided by Google is key to achieving your business goals. I am leading business coach from India. I am looking forward to help you to accelerate your business growth. Please contact me. And also subscribe our channel for more and more informative videos. Now let's get started on Google digital marketing.
1. Understanding the concept of Google digital marketing. First, let's discuss what Google digital marketing is. It's a marketing method that uses Google's online advertising platform, analytics services, search console, and more to reach, engage, and convert your target audience. Google's digital marketing suite is designed to help businesses maximize their online presence and effectively reach their marketing objectives. 2. Google's marketing platform, an overview. Google offers a suite of services for digital marketing, such as Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google My Business, and many more. Each of these tools serves a different purpose, but together, they form a powerful ecosystem for your digital marketing strategies. 3. Deep dive into Google Ads, the ultimate marketing tool. Google Ads is a vital tool in the realm of Google digital marketing. It offers a variety of ad types including search, display, and video. The tool also provides comprehensive targeting and retargeting capabilities that allow your ads to reach the right audience at the right time. 4. Leveraging Google Analytics for effective digital marketing. Google Analytics is another powerful tool for marketers. It provides insights into user behavior, demographics, and other important metrics that can guide your digital marketing strategies and help you understand your audience better. 5. The power of Google Search Console in digital marketing. Google Search Console, on the other hand, is a crucial tool for improving your website's presence in Google search results. It can provide valuable insights into your website's performance and visibility. 6. Maximizing business visibility with Google My Business. Google My Business is a tool that can significantly boost your business visibility. It enhances local SEO and provides an easy way for customers to find and engage with your business online. 7. The role of Google Trends in digital marketing. Google Trends is another important tool in your arsenal. It can be used to identify trending topics and perform keyword research, which can help you align your content with the interests of your audience. 8. Google Tag Manager, a key to successful digital marketing. Google Tag Manager, a less talked about but equally powerful tool, simplifies the process of managing and deploying marketing tags on your website without having to modify the code. 9. Unveiling the benefits of YouTube advertising in Google digital marketing. Let's not forget YouTube, another Google product. It offers unique opportunities for businesses to reach and engage their audience with compelling video content and ads. 10. Harnessing the power of Google's machine learning in digital marketing. Google's machine learning technologies are also making waves in digital marketing. Tools like smart bidding in Google Ads are revolutionizing the way marketers approach their campaigns. Google Digital Marketing offers a vast range of tools and capabilities that can drive your business towards success. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the power of Google Digital Marketing propel your business into a prosperous future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.